Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we will discuss the theory of long or red rods. This is the sensorial activity in Montessori system. Inshallah, I will teach you how to make it at home in future videos. So stay tuned with Mama's Montessori. Long or red rods is the mat floor activity. Discrimination of dimension means changing in dimensions. Material that used in Montessori system are consist of 10 rods made of light wood red in color, which differs in one respect only, such that length. The shortest rod has the length of 10 cm. Each succeeding rod differ from the preceding one by the length of the first. The height and breadth are 2 cm and sometimes 2.5 cm. Similarly, the shortest rod has the length of 5 cm. Direct aim. As the length of each rod differ from each other, so the direct aim of this activity is the visual discrimination of dimension such that the length. Indirect aim. Through this activity, directors prepare the child for mathematics, counting, addition, subtraction, and the eye-hand coordination is improved by using these sensorial material. Control of error. The control of error is visual as the length of the rod differ from each other. The child can easily get to know his mistake when he places the rod in an incorrect order. The age required for doing this activity is 3 to 3.5 years. Language. The language is given through the 3-period lesson in red rods. The language given is long and short. Its comparative degrees and superlative degrees are also given in our next separate class. Do you want to watch the language presentation in a separate video? Then comment me in a comment box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow. These actions are motivating me to making more videos about Montessori system. Keep watching Mama's Montessori.